Lots of beginners like DJI's Mini drones because they're small and easy to use. But the Mini 4 Pro didn't impress as much as people hoped. It's a decent drone, but the improvements over the Mini 3 Pro were small, especially for the higher price. This video digs into what DJI could do to make the Mini 5 Pro special, and we might even guess when it'll come out. The Mini 4 Pro, released just 6 months ago, didn't quite live up to the hype. It came with some small upgrades like an extra obstacle avoidance sensor and better transmission range with OcuSync 4, but the $150 price hike didn't seem worth it for these minor improvements. Now, everyone's eagerly waiting for the Mini 5 Pro, and drone fans have a wishlist ready. One big hope for the Mini 5 Pro is a better camera system. While the Mini 3 and 4 Pro had OK 4K video with a 1x1.3-inch sensor, people want more. They're hoping the Mini 5 Pro will have a bigger 1-inch sensor that can capture stunning 4K footage at up to 60 frames per second. This upgrade could mean better colors, less noise in low light, and overall nicer-looking shots. Another thing on the wish list is more storage space inside the drone. The Mini 4 Pro only had 2 GB on board, which meant lots of annoying file transfers mid-flight. To fix this, DJI needs to give the Mini 5 Pro at least 8 GB of storage. That way, pilots can shoot more without worrying about running out of space. And of course, everyone wants better battery life. Even with the Intelligent Battery Plus in the Mini 4 Pro, flight time didn't really improve. So, if DJI wants to make the Mini 5 Pro really shine, they'll need to give it longer flight times to unlock its full potential. DJI needs to step up their game in battery technology, aiming for a minimum flight time of 40 minutes with the regular battery. This longer flight time will give pilots more freedom to explore without worrying about running out of juice. As we look forward to the Mini 5 Pro, people are guessing when it might come out. DJI has a history of releasing new products pretty quickly, with the Mini 4 Pro hitting the shelves just a year after its predecessor. Based on this, September 2024 seems like a good bet for the Mini 5 Pro's debut. But if it doesn't bring the upgrades everyone's hoping for, like a bigger sensor, better range, and more storage, it might not stand out from the crowd. With drone prices going up, consumers want bang for their buck. If the Mini 5 Pro is priced around $700 to $800, it needs to deliver on its promises of better performance and features. A bigger sensor, improved dynamic range, more storage, and longer flight times are must-haves to make the Mini 5 Pro shine. In the end, the Mini 5 Pro could really shake up the compact drone scene, giving enthusiasts an amazing aerial photography experience. If DJI delivers on the upgrades and keeps pushing innovation, the Mini 5 Pro could show their dedication to excellence in the drone world. So let's keep dreaming about the cool things we'll do with drones as we wait for the Mini 5 Pro to arrive.